Awesome. So your unit just came in the mail. It's ready to go. You're excited. We're excited for you too because it does a really good job cleaning your space. Let's show you how to use it real quick. It's pretty simple. It's plug and play, ready to go when you get it. So all you got to do is plug it in. And this is how you know it's working properly. You turn it on, you set the time here, and you're going to look inside. You're going to see a purple hue coming off the ozone plate. That purple hue, you can also notice there's the sound of static electricity. That's the sound of ozone being made. That's totally normal. That's totally part of the process of making ozone. You're going to read up here. This is the normal thing with ozone. You want to use it in a non-occupied space. When it's on, it smells like high concentrations of it will smell like bleach or chlorine. Lower concentrations will kind of smell like after a lightning storm outside, which is kind of nice. So you're gonna look in your packet here. You're gonna look at your instructions. You're gonna see there's a spare fuse also included, the power cord, and the owner manual. All right, so you're gonna look around. You're gonna be like, okay, spare fuse. Where's that spare fuse? And then you should just realize that right here it says it's inside the power block. Now that can be confusing. Inside the power block is inside the plug itself. So right here, the makers of this were smart enough to realize that no one's going to want to look around forever for an extra fuse in their house. So they left one extra right here. So if you ever need it, there's one right here. It's so rare to ever need one. Usually only happens if you have a big power outage or you have some electrical problem at your house, not with the unit. So very uncommon, but the solution's already there, ready to go if you ever need it. So with that in mind, shipping damage can occur sometimes. If FedEx or UPS hit this really hard, that ozone plate that we just looked at could come loose. Now, if that ozone plate does come loose, you have to learn how to open this unit anyway. So let us show you how to open the unit. So the unit is held together at the top by these Phillips head screws right here. So you need a Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew these two screws on both sides. After you do that, you can get inside the unit. And here I have one that I just opened up. So I can just pull it open now. And I'm inside the unit. Now every year, you're going to need to replace this ozone plate anyway, so it's very good to get familiar with this. So there's the ozone plate. Sometimes during that UPS shipment, like we just said, if there was damage that occurred, 99% of the time, it's this ozone plate being disconnected a little bit. It just needs to be pushed back into place and it turns back on. The unit runs smoothly. We get a lot of people saying, hey, it's not working. And it tends to be just this ozone plate is loose, needs to be put back into place. It is made out of ceramic, so it is very fragile. So if this ozone plate did take on any damage or anything like that, please just message your seller. They should be sure to exchange out that plate quickly for you and get you up and running. All right, so other than that, we'll give you some best practices and tips. We get some free bonuses on how to really use an ozone generator really effectively. So you can use it like a pro does and really make it as effective as it possibly can so you get amazing results. Tune in for our next video.